Welcome back to PropellerHeads TV. I'm your host, Matt Sloan, CEO of Skyfire Consulting. If you aren't familiar with us, we help public safety agencies start safe and legal drone programs. So today we're going to talk about an awesome new product that I just love, and it's called the ResQBeacon. It looks like a tiny little bike light, but what's cool about this is you have flashing red and blue lights. So if you're operating as a police officer with your drone, of course there'll be a fire version coming as well. This little product is very cool. So one of the complaints that we've heard from our clients time after time is that we go into these big events with our drone and we're telling people, hey, we really don't want you to use drones at this event. And all of a sudden they see a drone flying and people start to complain. So one of the things they like to do is identify that the drone they're flying is a police or a fire department aircraft. This is a great way to do that. This is $99. And what's cool about this, it was actually designed and manufactured by a firefighter, a guy named Ross Havlick, who's a good buddy of ours from Austin Fire Department. And this light is incredibly well made. So it's got a little bracket on here. All you have to do is open up the Velcro there, and we'll stick it on the leg here of the matrice. Velcro it in, turn it on, and you're ready to go. Now, of course, you see this is a red and blue version. He's going to be making a red and white version as well, and we're talking about other different color combinations. But again, product that's easy to use, it's easy to charge. You can put it on there, it'll last several hours, and it's incredibly visible. So we've actually used it at night for events here in Atlanta, and it was visible from clear across a park that we were flying over. So again, that's the ResQBeacon. It's available here at Skyfire for $99. Right now it just comes in red and blue, but again, red and white is coming, and other colors as well. So thank you so much for watching. Well, that'll do it for this week's episode. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to skyfireconsulting.com to sign up for our weekly PropellerHeads newsletter.